here we are, some more winter maintenance. And more importantly, just getting them out in the sun and drying out. The inside of that van just sweats so bad. So, but I got the shock out of this thing, CR250, and we're going to take it and have it rebuilt. Same guys that did the shock on the Ducati, which you can see is still absolutely no leaking. They put a new seal head in it and recharge everything, put new oil in it. And that's very important stuff on your suspension, because like any component, it'll get worn out and it needs rebuilt. So we're gonna go ahead and do it on this guy. But and these are notorious for this linkage, the Pro Link. There's sets of bearings in there, 2, 4, 6 bearings, and over the years they'll bind up, and I guess it actually will make the head leak, which mine does a little bit. I don't know, but I was checking that out, and look at. Oh, buddy, you see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. We'll get her out. Oh. You know, your shock isn't, that's a lot of dampening right now. So, yeah, we're going to take out this linkage, or at least the bolts, and maybe hopefully just service them. Clean them out and service them, get that lube back up, because it's no bueno. Oh yeah. This is going to be awesome. Ooh. Tap, tap, tap. There. Actually, this don't really move too bad. Must have been one of these guys, but that comes out of there hard. So we'll get them all lubed up and ready for when the shock comes back. Remember how that was in there. All right, check back soon, you guys.